Hello 5th class, this is page 138, question 7. Okay, we know the weight of all 3 boxes. They've told us 2 boxes, we've got to find the weight of the 3rd box. One box weighs 24.5, so that's 24.5. The second box weighs 37.593. Now I can see that I need 2 zeros here to hold my place. Let's add those 2 boxes together. We get 3, 9, 0, carry the 1, 12. So 62.093 is the weight of 2 of the boxes. Let's take that away from my total of 3 boxes and we'll find the weight of the 3rd box. So 12 take away 3 is 9. I have to borrow again. 13 take away 9 is 4, 7, 6, 3. So my 3rd box is 36.749 kilograms.